Story of a boy who wanted to travel alone. Every year, a boy's parents took him to his grandmother's house for the summer break, and they would return home on the same train after 2 weeks. Then one day, boy tells his parents, "I am grown up now. What if I go to grandma's house alone this year?" After a brief discussion, parents agree. Here they are standing on the train station wharf, greeting him, giving him one last tip through the window, as the boy continues to repeat, I know, you already told me so many times." Train is about to leave, and father whispers, "My son, if you suddenly feel bad or scared, this is for you." And he slips something into his pocket. Now the boy is all alone, sitting on the train, without his parents, for the first time in life. He looks at the scenery through the window that scrolls. Around him, strangers hustle, make noise, enter and exit the compartment. He gets that feeling that he is alone. A person even gives him a sad look. So, this boy is feeling more uncomfortable. And now, he is scared. He lowers his head, snuggles in a corner of the seat. Tears rise to his eyes. At that point, he remembers his father putting something in his pocket. With a trembling hand, he seeks to drop this piece of paper. He opens it. "Son, don't worry. I am in the next compartment." This is how it is in life. When Allah sent us in this world all by ourselves, He has also gave us a letter. La tahzan, inna Allah ma'ana. Don't be sad. Allah is with us. I'm traveling with you. I am within your reach. Call on me. So, just don't panic. Don't be depressed. It will only affect your physical and mental health. Trust Him. Have faith in Him. Our Allah is always with us throughout the journey of our life.